Welcome back to InfoQuizzery. Get ready to challenge your knowledge of the human body with 50 exciting questions. Test yourself, learn something new, and don't forget to keep track of your score. Let's dive in. Which part of the body does not have a blood supply? Cornea. Which organ develops first in a fetus? Heart. How many true ribs are in the human body? Seven. What is the term for a lack of oxygen in the tissue? Hypoxia. What is the duration of one heartbeat? 0.8 seconds. What part of the body is the scapula located? Shoulder. What is the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. What is the name of the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder? Ureter. What is the name of the process by which cells divide to produce identical daughter cells? Mitosis. Which part of the brain controls memory and learning? Hippocampus. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? Pancreas. How many bones are in the middle ear? Three bones. Which type of joint is found in the shoulder and hip? Ball and socket joint. What is the function of the immune system? Defend against infection. Which hormone is released in response to stress? Adrenaline. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin. What is the name of the protein that carries oxygen in the blood? Hemoglobin. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs? Liver. What is the main function of the small intestine? Absorb nutrients. Which part of the brain controls involuntary actions like breathing and heart rate? Brainstem. What is the name of the bone that protects the brain? Cranium. Which part of the brain is responsible for speech production? Broca's area. Which type of blood vessel carries blood back to the heart? Veins. Which organ produces bile to aid in digestion? Liver. What is the main function of platelets in the blood? Clot blood. Which part of the brain is involved in emotion and behavior? Limbic system. Which hormone controls the body's sleep-wake cycle? Melatonin. Which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Arteries. What is the name of the largest artery in the human body? Aorta. Which organ is responsible for removing carbon dioxide from the blood? Lungs. Which type of cell is responsible for transmitting electrical signals in the body? Neurons. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Absorb water. Which bone is commonly referred to as the collarbone? Clavicle. What is the hardest part of the human body? Tooth enamel. Which organ is responsible for regulating body temperature? Hypothalamus. What is the name of the process by which the body maintains a stable internal environment? Homeostasis. Myopia affects which organ? Eye. What is the name of the pigment that gives skin its color? Melanin. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of hollow organs like the stomach? Smooth muscle. What is the name of the outer layer of the skin? Epidermis. Which gland produces the hormone adrenaline? Adrenal glands. What is the term for the fluid part of the blood? Serum. Which part of the brain is responsible for processing visual information? Occipital lobe. What is the term for the white part of the eye? Sclera. What is the term for the process of bone formation? Ossification. What is the name of the bone that forms the upper arm? Humerus. Which structure connects muscles to bones? Tendons. What is the name of the valve that prevents food from entering the windpipe? Epiglottis. Which part of the brain controls the sense of smell? Temporal lobe. What is the name of the tissue that lines the inside of the heart? Endocardium.